Hello everyone, welcome and welcome back to my channel. In today's video we are getting ready for the season of renewal with some fun and cozy DIY. Whether you're sprucing up your home for Easter or simply adding a little festive flair, this creative idea will bring a touch of springtime charm to your space. So grab your crafting tools and let's get ready.
For this Easter decoration, I began by repurposing an old wood plank. The wood velvet and texture set the perfect base for this arrangement. To start with, I'm flipping it over and doing a small wood round on both ends, just to elevate a little bit. And if your plank is a bit chippy, you can sand it lightly to smooth any rough edges, but keep the velvet character intact. For the next step, we will need some eggs, but first I'm going to take you with me outside to spray paint them. As you can see, I already prepped my ones. It is very simple procedure. Gently crack open the top with a utility knife to reveal a hint of delicate white inside. Then remove the egg, wash thoroughly and leave it to dry. The way it looks, the gold color adds a touch of elegance and shine. Okay, let's go back inside because it's so cold. It is only 4 degrees. So next I'm carefully arranging eggs on the plank by gluing them with a hot glue. I love how it looks already. The gold spray paint gave them a sophisticated gleaming finish, which beautifully contrasted with the rustic woods. Once the eggs were securely in place, I'm adding a moss, which is giving us an earthy organic touch. adding a small white delicate flowers. If you would like more colorful hues of pastels like lavender, pale pink, and yellow to enhance the fresh springtime feel. Flowers were thoughtfully positioned to frame their golden eggs. Soft, fluffy feathers nestled between the flowers, creating a balanced and light, airy effect. The final result is a warm, natural Easter decoration that combines the old world charm of the wood with the luxurious shine of the gold and the fresh vibrancy of spring flowers, perfect to decorate your space for the season. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.